everybody, it's Ingrid from Twinkl, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make this Christmas lantern paper craft from the Twinkl website. To make it, start by downloading your preferred template and following the instructions. There is a standard version, which is the one we're going to be looking at in this video, an eco color version, a black and white version, and also a blank one. If you want to get creative or you want to use this template but not necessarily make it too Christmassy, you can always use the blank version and decorate it however you like. This can be a fun way to make your lantern truly unique. Alright, now for the fun part. Let's have a go at making one together. Start by printing out the template and cutting around the outline. Now we're going to fold it down the center line. Make sure that those edges line up. Now it's time to cut along the solid lines. Once you're done, it should look something like this. Where you see the uneven dotted lines, fold the paper towards you. Dab a little bit of glue on the tabs, loop them around and stick them to the opposite side. And you're done! I hope you had a nice time making this festive paper lantern with me. If you like Christmas crafts, there are tons of templates and resource packs available on the Twinkl website, so make sure you take a look around if you're interested. Also, if you liked this video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to Twinkl Australia so you can see more content like this. We're also on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, so make sure you follow us on all our social media channels if you don't want to miss out on anything. Thank you so much for watching and Merry Christmas!